up the drive shaft, which when I bought the car was sitting on the passenger floorboard. There are 4 of these special bolts. These are special because the heads are D-shaped. And then they go through and have a nut and then this locking washer thing. So I don't have them. I don't have them for the differential side, but and they also don't seem to be orderable. So what I'm gonna do is make some. How am I gonna do that? Well, let's go over to the bench. Alright, this is what we want. See the D shape? This allows the bolt to get really close to where the hole is without the head getting in the way. If that makes sense. So, what we're going to do, we have one of the bolts chucked up in the head in my drill. We have my grinder mounted up in the vise. We're going to grind the head until it's nice and round. Alternatively, you could use a crescent wrench and just strip it around. Next, we're going to put a flat spot in the head. And that gives us a D-shaped bolt. Now, because this is on the drive shaft or prop shaft, propeller shaft, when you modify these bolts, you want to make sure you have a bolt that's very strong, like grade 8 or whatever, because they have a lot of shear to them. You also want to have this shoulder that's very important, so the any torque's not on threads that are all the way up. This bolt is also a little bit long, so we're going to have to see if it's necessary to shorten it or not.